Gravure ink printing industry before making gradient data. The ink and solvent ratio needs to be adjusted to be consistent with the viscosity of the ink produced in the workshop. Confirm the viscosity ratio and then make a color proof. According to the database gradients we provide: weighing, recording, diluting, stirring, proofing. Create gradient gradations of various base colors. Then enter it into the color matching system to complete the database establishment. Now start color matching. The first step is to select the target color. Then select the corresponding color database. Fill in the color difference control range and other relevant information according to the actual situation. The color formula of the target color is calculated. Modify the total usage to the actual required usage. Proofing and color development according to the calculated target color formula. Color matching software can be connected with some color mixers, enabling automatic dispensing. After stirring, proofing, and color development. Comparison of the color formula sample, calculated for the first time with the standard. Measuring color deviation using instruments. Color correction can be performed if the initial formula deviates from the target color. Formula information calculated based on corrected color. Repeat the same steps to perform color proofing. Finally, proofing and color display. After one color correction, the actual proofing effect is very close to the target color. If you have higher requirements for color difference, you can correct the color again. Finally, it is the stage of workshop production. Let's take a look at the comparison between some of the samples produced and the standards. If you want to know more, please call the customer service hotline for consultation.